So my name is Satyam and this is day 2 of my interview prep journey, and I really want to improve on my problem solving skills and communication, right? So with that, let's start with the problem itself, okay? So in this video, we'll talk about the problem called uncompress, okay? So let's first understand about the problem, okay? Yeah. So let's suppose if we have given this string and so basically there's some special pattern about this string, right? So what are the patterns, right? So in this string there are multiple groups, so there are multiple groups, and each group form for group formatted like this. First it will start with a number and ends with a string, right? So this is the group formation, okay? So if we talk about this string, what are the possible groups, right? So groups will be, because it starts number and ends with a string, so 2c will be our group. So 2c and 3a and 1t, right? Okay, so this is um, basically about the problem, right? And how can we solve this, okay? So first thing first thing that I'm thinking, that I need to know somehow that start of a group and end of a group. If I know somehow, then I can do some logic and return our output. So let's discuss also the output, how will be the output, okay? So for example, in each group, right, in each group there is a character and there is a number, right? So the output will be, um, basically the character will be repeated over uh, whatever the number it has, right? So let's say if you talk about 2c, the c will repeat by 2 times because it has two number, right? So c, and if you talk about another group 3a, so a will be repeat by 3, 1t will repeat uh, one time. So this will be our output, okay? So if you can see, this is the same result that the program is expecting, okay? So I will use two pointer approach. So what is two pointer approach, okay? So two pointer approach takes, basically it has 2 points, right? um, it tracks 2 points in a in a given array, right? So let's say I have two pointer that I have created. For example, a, I can b. So these are two pointers, right? So initially I will initialize with a 0, okay? And now what I will do is iterate over our string, okay? So let's say 2 c 3 a 1 t, right? So before starting the iterations, our pointer is here, right? Because we have initialized with 0, right? So in each iteration, what we really want to do is move our one pointer, right? Or maybe increment our one pointer in every iteration, right? And see if current uh, current character is is alphabet or not, right? If it is alphabet, this means we have found a group, right? So let's say if we go to a second iteration, our b will be here, right? So on each iteration we will check our current character, is this a number or not. If this is not a number, that means we have found a end, right? So a will be pointing to the number, and now b is pointing to the alphabet. So we know that a is the starting and b is the end, right? So we know, so we kind of know the group, right? So with that, let's start our solution. Okay, so I will create two pointer, a equal to b. I will use let because I need to reassign. Let b equal to, okay. Now what I will do is use while loop, right? Because I'll increment b over each iteration. So I'll check for b. If b is less than the string of length, the length of string, right? Now I will check if a character, if current character, let's define our current character as b. I think I need to, sorry, it is should be like this because it will be 0 at initial, right? So yeah, so we need to have some condition to check that that will check if a current character is a number or not, right? So to for checking this, we can just, we have some tree, we can use regex or some other things, but we can use this trick. For example, the the all the basically we can have a string with all the possible digit, right? So let's say digit possible digit equal to 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So let's say if current character, not current character, if possible digit dot includes current character, right? This means that this is a number. So if this is a number, we just want to increment b, right? And if current character is not a number, that means we have found a end of a group, right? So what I want to do is extract our digit from the group. So we can do this, we can use splice. So slice and our starting of a group and our end of a group, right? So this will be this will give us the basically digit. Okay, now what we really want to do is basically repeat our current character, our our basically we need to repeat our current character, uh, whatever digit is, right? So let's say what we can do is uh, have our result variable. So output will be, for now it will be empty string. Now every time we found a end of a group, we really want to append, right? So let's say output I can append like this, and we need to repeat our current character, right? So current character repeat, this will repeat our digit times, right? So whatever digit will be, so this will like, for example, our current character is y, and we have got the digit 2, so the output will be yy, right? So this is the code for this. And so we are appending. Now we really want to do basically is to set a and b to the next starting of a group, right? Basically next character. So what I can do is a plus equal to 1 and a equal to j. Now on the next group, a and j will be pointing to the same character, right? So again, yeah, so this looks fine. Plus 1 and j, or j, we have b, right? And we should return our output. Let's see uh, if we did wrong or have some mistakes. Let's first return that, and now what we can do is test our function. Okay, so hopefully we have completed this task, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye.